able to release it in less than 3 days. I therefore conclude that the average processing time will reduce from 75 to 49 days based from the samples alone. Ang mga benepisyong mahahatid ko, walang idle na facility na pwedeng nakawin. There were estimated loss of 2.2 million last year. This could have been prevented. Sa bagong sistema na to, mamomonitor na ang mga facilities ng team leader, ng mga engineer, at bababa ang system loss dahil maiiwasan ang nakawan at magagamit sa ibang proyekto ang mga transformer. Thank you.